This is Rakesh. He owns a logistics company with multiple fleets and requires high volume of fuel on credit. Rakesh buys fuel on credit from Trust Fuel Station owned by Arjun and agrees to pay on weekly basis, but doesn't make the payment as agreed, leaving Arjun with a large amount of bad debts. Rakesh then takes fuel on credit at Gurpreet Filling Station owned by Pratap Singh. When asked for payment, Rakesh disappears and is untraceable. Oh no! Rakesh is a fraud credit customer. Rakesh has cheated Arjun and Pratap Singh lakhs of rupees, leaving them in a huge financial mess. Arjun and Pratap Singh could have been saved from Rakesh with Fuelware's blacklisting feature. Let's see how. Rakesh buys fuel from Trust Fuel Station and does not make the payment. Arjun immediately uses Fuelware's blacklisting feature to blacklist Rakesh and his logistics company. All the fuel stations using Fuelware application will be notified about Rakesh being blacklisted. Now Rakesh tries to buy fuel on credit from Gurpreet Filling Station. First, the dealer already knows that Rakesh is defaulter, and also his ground staffs using the application will be notified in real time that the customer asking for fuel is blacklisted. Bingo! Gurpreet Filling Station is saved. Is your fuel station Fuelware protected? You and your dealer community can help each other from falling in trap of customers like Rakesh. More the fuel stations on Fuelware, more the security.
Fuelware Dealer app is available on Android Play Store and Apple